Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I make a lot of recipes, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero to bring you guys a creamy chocolatey mousse. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to be using ChocZero's dark chocolate chips. You want to add a 1/4 cup of dark chips to a bowl and microwave it at 30-second intervals until it's melted. Next, we're going to add 1½ cups of heavy cream to a bowl. This needs to be heavy cream that's been sitting at room temperature just so that the melted chocolate doesn't solidify. Then we're going to add our melted chocolate to that bowl of the heavy cream and add a 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat with an electric mixer until peaks form. Now your mousse is done. You can get fancy with it if you want and add your mousse to a whipped cream dispenser, or just add some dollops of this mousse to a fancy dish. You could also top with additional ChocZero chocolate syrup and top with berries. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you visit ChocZero.com for some more delicious low-carb recipes.